Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, December 10th. And first off, I want to say happy birthday to my sister-in-law, Shan. I hope you have a great weekend and a great year. Next up, we want to talk about this new large collection of fabric that we've received, and this is called Twist Blenders from Dashwood Studios. This represents 2/5 of what we're going to receive because they sent it in fifths. So we've gotten 2/5 in, and the other 3/5 should be here. That's hard to say, in the next week or two. So let's just take a look at these. Of course, they have awesome color names. This one's called Viridian, and I love that kind of bouncy movement that you see with the dots. So we'll kind of breeze through these because there are a lot. This is white on white, which you may be able to see. Okay, let's see. Anybody want to guess the name of this one? That one doesn't have a name. Pebble. I'm not sure I've seen a pebble that color, but you got to go with what you can do. So lots and lots here. This one's Blush. That's a good name. I approve. And then we have Pumpkin. And if you'll just slide over with me, we'll just flip these through quickly because there are so many. Ooh, I love that one. I hope it's called Raspberry. Cherry. Close. Still a fruit. Teal. This one's Royal. Ooh, this one's fun. Kiwi. And apple. I'm not sure I'd eat that apple. Almond. Sorbet. Indigo. That's definitely on my favorites list. Olive. Looks a lot like that apple. Azure. Jade. Oh, that's Susan's favorite behind the camera. Cream. I don't know about that name either. Toast. We have opinions this morning. Honey. Rose. Gold. And coral. So again, this is, I think, 20 bolts. Let's see, 6, 4. This is 24 bolts. So we will have a lot more coming, 30, 40-ish. I can't imagine that we have a lot more colors than this, but I know companies that produce blenders have a great time coming up with all the colors in the crayon box. Next up, it is Fat Quarter Friday. This one is called Cardinal Christmas. Sorry, I'm not quite on it yet today. And this is, again, a sale one because this is made up of our holiday fabrics from this year. So this is a specially priced Fat Quarter bundle. And of course, it's not too late to make a few more things for the people on your holiday list. So that will be available while supplies last here at the front desk and online. Next up, it is day 10 of my favorite things. And if you've been keeping track, I have a favorite thing every day in December. Well, every day that we shoot a video. And they are going into a page that I'll link for you where everything is 25% off up until December 25th. So if it's a favorite thing of mine, you get it at 25% off. Today is called Turkish Delights. It is a pattern by Villa Rosa Designs. Now, this is a $2 pattern, so you're not going to get a ton of money off, but it is going to be 25% off. I think this is a great table runner pattern, and the little squares are actually 2.5-inch squares. The easiest way to do that is to take a charm pack and quarter it, and then you have 2.5-inch squares. Amazing how math works. But I wanted to pull a couple of charm packs that I thought would be cute with the Turkish Delights pattern. This is Cozy Up. It's one of our autumn collections, and it is on sale. And you can see there's lots of pretty kind of calm autumn colors in there. And then I also pulled Sunroom by Elizabeth Hartman, which has a lot of fun modern fabrics in it if you wanted to go a whole different direction. So all it takes is a few of those 2.5-inch squares and a half yard of background. So also a quick make if you need a hostess gift or if you want to give something nice to a neighbor, something like that this holiday season. That's what I have for you today. Hope you have a great weekend. I hope you get to go to some parties or do whatever's fun for you during this holiday time, and make some time to sew, make some time for yourself. It's so important this time of year. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.